Hello and welcome everyone to this another webinar. Today we are discussing about various feature enhancements and new upgrades, new tools to the platform, as well as we will discuss some specific things regarding our tools like volume profile, market profile, charting, such basic stuff which has been enhanced in the platform, some new updates to the platform, and then obviously we will focus a little bit on the currently running 30% flat offer. So if you look closely on the homepage, we have this offer running, which is 30% off, flat 30% off on all annual plans currently. You can avail them if you just click on upgrade. You will see something like this pricing page. You can go select your preferred data plan, which is basically it can be NSE, MCX, or NSE plus MCX, both. Be sure to check annually over here. Once you just click on the buy now button, let's say end trial and upgrade plan. Okay. Be sure to select annual from the top, right? And then you can select your India MCX premium, India NSE premium, or India all premium. India Lite is a watered down or a slightly affordable plan for those who can't afford the entire NSE premium data plan. It has its limitations as well. NSE premium plan is mostly about all the futures options, charts, and the equity charts under NSE. India MCX is obviously our commodity exchange, and the commodity data plan is this one. If you trade both commodities, equities, and futures and options, I would highly suggest you take the India All Premium plan, which is currently running at 20,000 rupees a year, direct 10-30% cut on it. Okay. Of course, then if you also trade uh, crude oil, and if you want the US CME group bundle, specifically for New York, for NYMEX, COMEX, CBOT, and CME, you can select this plan. Those who trade crypto and forex can just select this currency premium plan. Essentially, that will give you all access to all forex pairs as well as crypto pairs. Okay. Once you select on this and you just proceed to checkout, you can find out here that you don't need any promo code. You don't need to apply any promo code, nothing of that sort. The discount will be automatically applied currently, which is a flat 30% off on the entire amount generated. Just click on the two buttons here and then click pay now. If you want to subscribe, then obviously just select subscription. Otherwise, if you want to pay one time, you can do that as well. If you want to pay with UPI, you can click on this link, which will take you to a video, and then it will explain you how to take the data plan through procharting.in, which is our India dedicated website for those who want to pay with UPI. Okay. This is only a website for payments. Use the same logins that you use on GoCharting.com. Log in with the same login credentials on procharting.in. Check out similar to how you will check out on GoCharting, the checkout procedure that I just told you. Okay. And then once you've checked out, you've paid with UPI, you can come back to GoCharting and log in with the same credentials, and your data pack and plan and premium subscription will be activated. Okay. Hope you understood that this offer is only for 10 days. I think a lot of folks are waiting for the Diwali offer, expecting like, much larger discount. From what I know and what I can tell you, this will be the maximum discount that GoCharting will give you guys. This is the maximum discount that we've given for the past 1.5 years. This offer will again run during Diwali, so it will be flat 30% off during Diwali. But I would highly suggest you to take the offer currently, because I cannot promise you that this offer will run in Diwali at 30% off only or not. Okay. We go from 3 months to 3 months, and the team decides whatever it decides, and we have to run with it, right? So Just take benefit of this offer if you can. Okay. Next things, Durgesh Bhai is going to explain a few. We will take some questions from you guys. So one question Durgesh Bhai, Rajesh has
Yeah.
is
Hey, hi
about,
everyone.
yeah, can you take that?
Sure. What will happen to my existing scheme if I go for annual membership? So it will add to your existing membership. So for example, your plan is getting expired on end of this month. So that will continue, and your annual plan, it will take, after your billing cycle ends. So basically, if you upgrade, your billing cycle will continue after your current plan ends. Okay. Then Venkat trade, adding features, drawing. Yeah, we are going to talk about these questions. So if you have any trading related questions, you can ask now, or else we can, do trading related questions after some time. Just let me update you guys about the Go charting updates, various things. We will cover it quickly, and then we can go for question answer. Okay. So I think that will be better. So let me just share my screen and
Vint V is asking, what about renewal next year? Discount or no discount? So these discounts run every 3 to 5 months, 3 to 6 months, and you will always get an opportunity to upgrade during Diwali or during Independence Day. Sometimes we also run it during Holi, right? But if you are on an annual plan today, okay, and if you buy a 30% discount, and if you buy a discounted 30% plan, it will add on to your current time. Let's say, for example, you have a current annual subscription, and you have 4 months remaining on that subscription. If you buy another 1 year of data plan with 30% discount, the 1 year will be added to your 4 month subscription. Okay, pending subscription. Is that right, Durgesh bhai?
yes, yes, yes.
All right, let's go through the platform updates one by one quickly, and then we will take the rest of the questions regarding all other questions like Pine script and does Light have live data and stuff like that. Okay, let's
Yeah,
go through
and
some
also the
questions.
trading related questions like order flow analysis, bid ask, and all those things. Definitely, we are going to take them. Okay.
Right, Dukesh bhai,
Mm.
very quickly, a person is asking, does Light have has live data or not? So Light plan भी explain कर देंगे. Let's explain the Light plan also later on. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, but please continue with the points that we are going to discuss today, and then we'll take the rest of the questions.
Sure. Sure. I've written it. Okay. So first thing is there is a demand for synchronization of drawing. I hope you guys can see my screen. Is it visible, Angad bhai?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so see here, if you guys see, we have synchronized cursor. If I can just make it a double one. So right now we have synchronized cursor. Okay. Synchronized cursors means the cursor will be same in both the screen. Synchronized time means, it will point the same candle. If you click on that particular candle, so for example, if I mean, I should not go into detail of it. So basically what synchronization we do not have as of now is synchronization of drawings. Okay. So that is the update, guys. We are going to soon have it synchronized drawing also. So that will make this synchronization feature complete. Okay. And second thing is, whenever you saving these synchronization settings, so basically what you guys do, you have to save it in a layout. Okay. So we right now these settings are not getting saved, so these settings will also get saved once we bring this feature, and then we will make it a point that it will save in your layout. So that is going to complete this feature. It is pending. So we understand that you guys want it badly, so we are working on it's almost done. Then you can see there are so many layouts, guys. Okay, so we are going to release these layouts very soon. Okay, these are actually complete. It's just about deployment to the production, so we will do it. And here you can see there are layouts, like you can see as big as 8 layouts. So you can see my screen there. This is 8 layout. Okay, 8 chart layout. So Yes. Now coming to the single chart layout. Okay. All right. Now coming to next one. This is actually very good for you guys. See, we had this fixed range volume profile. Okay. But what we have now is fixed range volume profile, and that is in tick version. So for example, if I search for Nifty futures, okay. Now you see, if I use this tick version, this is more accurate than the normal one, because here I can change the text size. Check on your platform GoCharting.com, go to shapes and text, you select this fixed range volume profile tick. It is working absolutely fine. So what you can do here is you can set the tick size. So based on here, you can go to order flow and you can fix whatever tick size you want. You can do that. So earlier, what was it? It was not based on tick. It was based on bins. Okay. So if you're drawing, it was a normal volume profile. So what is the difference? Like, it is based on bins, but here you can adjust the tick, so it is more accurate. Say for example, earlier we are having volume profile and volume profile tick. So the same thing applies here. So fixed range volume profile and fixed range volume profile tick. So you can use this one. Now we also have anchored volume profile. So for example, if you want to plot anchored volume profile from this candle onwards, so what you have to do is right click over this candle, make sure that you are clicking above that candle. And now you have this add anchored volume profile. You click on this and you see this volume profile will be plotted. So what will be the data? Data, it will be taken from this particular candle to the last. Okay. So this is the anchored volume profile. This is also available. Now, if you're coming to Forex market, we have added one more exchange, that is IC market. Say, for example, if you're searching for Euro USD, so earlier what we had only for Oanda. Okay. Now you have IC markets as well. Okay. So this is one more addition of exchanges in our platform. Then there is very exciting news about the Mike Voltos. Okay, so I understand Mike Voltos indicator is very popular amongst you. Yes, we are also in process of developing a Hindi video series on this order flow trader. Now, if you go on this indicator and if you go to this setting, okay, you will see right now it is not under production. It is still in the developing stage, but very soon we are going to release it. We have released a few more indicators which are much better. It is upgraded version. And about the literature of it, we are, as I told, we will release it in English as well as Hindi. So it will be available very soon. So this is a very good indicator, guys. Okay. So earlier we did not have those many features, but now it is having much more advanced feature. So Mike Voltos has just upgraded it. So this will be released soon. Now, MCX expired options are also there on platform. So earlier, what was there? Earlier, you used to have only Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all those expired contracts. Now you can have expired contract for MCX also. Say, for example, you can have for the crude oil. So, so now you can have these expired contracts. And for that matter, yeah. So now, yeah, this is, can you see this fixed range volume profile tick is plotting here? Okay. So suppose if you are, changing the tick size, say, for example, I keep it auto. Now you see it has changed like this. And if I change the tick size like 30 or 300, something like that. So you can change basically the tick size here now. So this is fixed range volume profile. Now, as I was telling about the MCX expired option contract, so we are having this as well. And then, as we have explained earlier as well, you can create your strategy charts. Okay, so for example, if you want to create a straddle, so just click on basket order. And now you can, sell these call and put, say, straddle of 6,600. So sell and sell. Okay. Now, if you click on add to chart, what will happen? You will get the chart of the straddle of this particular option contracts. Okay. So this is the straddle chart you have just got. You can go to lower time frame or higher time frame. Accordingly, you can see. So this was about MCX options. Another thing is we have CME options also. So guys, we have just explained you about the CME. So as Angad Bhai has told you, the under USA we have plans like CME Premium and CME Bundle. So for example, you want to see the chart for ES, okay, S&P 500 futures. So this chart was already available, okay. But now suppose you want for CME options. So this is the future chart. But if you want the options, where you have to go? You have to go to chain over here. See, there is a chain option. Click on this. Now you will see the CME options. So these are the various strike prices, call and put. And again, as I told, you can just click on it and you will get the what do you say, the chart for that particular CME option. Or else, if you want to make the straddle chart, so simply click on the basket order. What you have to do is, suppose you want to create straddle for this particular strike price, sell and sell, and simply add to chart. You can, by the way, you can also do analysis. So if you press on analysis, you will get the profit and loss over here. And you can also put the real trades, place basket order if you're connected with the broker. We'll talk about it in some time. And then add to chart. So if you click on add to chart, now you're going to get the straddle chart for this these options. Okay, so this was one. Now we have also released GoCharting in multiple languages. So here, if you click on this, your profile section, and then you see there are multiple languages. So maybe this is not much useful for you because most of you are from English, but yes, definitely it is useful for people who are, living in abroad or other parts of the world. Then we have more brokers added here. Okay, so first of all, yes, so we have divided brokers based on India, USA, and crypto and forex. So for India, we have these many brokers: Fires, Kotak, all these things you guys know. For US trading, US futures, we already had TradeStation, but now we have added these Philip Capital, Optimus Futures, AMP Futures, Edge Clear, Iron Beam. Okay, so all these have been added. And if you want to trade in crypto and forex, say for example, for crypto, you can connect with Deribit and Bybit. We have recently added MetaTrader, guys. This is a very good news for you. So you can directly connect your MetaTrader with GoCharting right now, and you can take the trade. You can simply put your account ID, password. So few guys like to add their server IP and port over here, but you can also directly put your server name, either MT5 or MT4, and you can simply connect your account and trade. So this was about the brokers. And then we have added few, say for example, let me say for example, this is our stock. So we have added few indicators. Say for example, here financial. If you go to financial, you can see these cash, balance sheet, and say for, we have to go to a higher time frame. Say for example, I go to daily, and if you go to daily, now if you add these financials, say for example, balance sheet. Okay, so now you see this is 32.70 G, and if you just, so these are the because fundamentals, they change it, they change over a long period of time. So these are the kind of things you can have. And if you want to go in more details, if you want to understand in more details, you can always click on the financials. You can drag it upside, and then you can see in detail about the balance sheet, cash flow statement, the events, shareholding patterns, and everything based on a time zone like quarterly or annual. Okay, so this is about the financial indicators. Then you can have the same kind of indicator for crypto and forex. And if you're trading into FNO segment, you would like to see the Greeks like delta, gamma, theta, IV, and all those things. So you can have, say for example, if I add the Nifty options chart. Okay, so this is the option chain, and if I click on this particular option, so now let me delete this indicator. Let me put it to 5-minute chart. And if you add, say for example, you want to see the option Greeks like delta or gamma, so you can have these also on your chart. Okay, so these are the few updates. Now yes, we just left one more update. It was related to broker, but here you can now have this sim trader. Right, sim trader is a much more advanced version of our paper trader. Okay, so if you click on this sim trader, you can make your account over here, connect this. Okay, so once you connect this, right, so here you can make various other accounts. So this is default account. You can make multiple accounts over here. Okay, you have to just add account or delete account. So for example, I'm adding a new account. Now you see the parameters over here. You can give the name, you can give the currency. These are the various currency you can give in your sim trader. Then commissions, if you want to include the broking commission as well, you can put a fixed commission, or max of fixed. These are the options, you can explore them. Then you can set the initial balance, and we also have the risk management rules. This is in beta phase, still we are testing it, but we have also added the risk management rules. Okay, so these things you can explore. So this was about the sim trader. And then a few older updates, I'll just quickly go. This is the last one. So you can now have the cumulative volume delta in your watch list, and you can simply scan. Okay, from here, I mean, you can see the values. And then we also have the price and delta alerts. You click on here, and this is price alert, this is 1 day cumulative delta alerts. Now we keep on getting many questions like when we will be getting the individual delta alerts for candle. So we are working on that, guys. It is going to take some time. So as of now, only this alert is available. That will be available very soon because we are working on it. Now next, that this is the last question about the India Light. So some of you were asking about the India Light. Okay, so hold on, share this tab. So guys, if you take India Light, what is going to happen? Just give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute, guys. Let me load it. Okay, so if you go to GoCharting here, if you go to products, you will have this charts and then option desk. Okay, so if you take India Light, you are going to get all the features of options desk. Okay, so click on the options desk, and now you see this is your option. This is your options desk. Now under options desk, you will have the chain. You will have the risk. So what is the risk? Like you will have the strategy, payoff graph, like what is your profit and loss. I'll just show you how you can create a strategy. So for example, if I want to create this straddle, so I'm going to create this straddle. So this is my payoff graph, and then you can do either paper trading or real trading. Okay, then this chart feature, this is not going to be available. Okay, this chart feature is not going to be available because you will get real chart over here, because this chart is available under India NSE plan. Okay, so apart from this, you will be getting other things like analysis, you will be getting the flow. So here we are having the futures and options, combined options flow. You will get the multi-strike data and OI analysis. These features you are going to get up. Only the chart section will not be enabled. Okay, so this was it from my side. So Angad bhai, now I think we can open the question answer session.
Thank you, Durgesh. So let's go through these questions one by one. Akash Patwardhan is asking, when is the 8 chart layout being released? I think it's already released, right, Durgesh?
Yeah, it is in the development portal. We will release
Right.
it. We'll soon publish it. Yeah.
Right. So maybe in a few days, in a day or two. Okay,
Yeah.
we will announce it. Venkat Trade is asking, adding feature drawing sync tool in GoCharting platform. Please clarify on same, sir.
Drawings
Uh,
into, yeah. Yes, I have just answered it. I think he has
so
asked before. Yeah.
then we have explained GEX in a very good video. Let me just pull it up for you guys. Let me just check if GoCharting. Okay. So gamma exposure is what is gamma exposure, and how to actually so trade using it. I think Gamma.
I think GEX feature, if I'm not wrong, Angaji, we have skipped it as of now because there was
Oh,
one, yeah, there was one feature. It was left.
okay.
It was not complete. So we were about to make the video, but we refrained from it because we
All
just
right.
wanted, yeah.
So Mahendra Waghela, we will explain the GEX feature in a YouTube video because it will take almost half an hour to just explain. It's not that complicated, but it is not that easy to pick it up as well. So let me put this down in a note that we will release this video probably by next week, okay, or next to next. Pine script for custom programs is built currently, but I cannot give you a timeline on it. What I know is we will surely have something like Pine script by early next year. Okay. Then yes, we will be covering order flow analysis, bid ask profile and stuff today if you want to learn more about it. But I would rather suggest you to this there just check out our earlier. Let me just show you. Share. Right. So if you just go in playlist sections and if you go to webinar section, so order flow or sorry, webinar sections. See webinars and trading strategies. You'll find most webinars that we've conducted in Hindi and English under this playlist section, and you'll get to know more about how to trade using order flow, what strategies to use and stuff like that under this playlist. All right. Then what's next? Can we get Mike Valtos Delta Scalper tool in GoCharting?
I think I see the indicator is still it's not released, so I cannot exactly answer this. But I think I have not seen this option. We have just shown you the other options as well. But definitely you can send a mail to admin@gocharting.com and you just talk about it. We will definitely look into it and we'll see if it is available or if it can be made available. You can, I'll just type the mail for you. You can send a mail.
All right. I mean, we can speak with Mike as well to understand what this tool is and if we can port it to GoCharting. All right.
Yes.
But currently we don't have that. Is there an undo button on the chart anywhere for to undo, go back or undo? No, we don't currently. But it's a nice feature suggestion that we will get done ASAP. I think that's undo button. Can you write it down, Durgesh bhai?
Yeah, I'm writing.
Required, yes, we do. Anyway, sir, what about recording will be definitely shared. Can we get how to use gamma? Yes, gamma indicator का video launch record और publish करेंगे हम next week तक. Then volume profile tick calculation for crypto and environmental exact payoff. It's very volatile.
AI bot will be coming by end of this year or by next year. We are working on it. We are working on Pine script, and then after that, the AI bot will be coming.
Okay. Volume profile tick calculation for crypto. So crypto simply use a daily ATR calculation. So let's show you. Okay, so let's do BTCUSDT on the spot, right? And just go daily. Okay. Oh, sorry, not compare. Then do just a sec. R right. So oh, sorry, we should do this on a. Anyways, sorry, we should do this on a 30-minute. So if you look closely, the 30-minute ATR is around, or we should also do this on a trading time frame as well. Wait, let's do one by one. I'll show you all the other settings. So let's say it shows around 150, right? And if you go order flow, remove auto mode, and you can do 100. Now it doesn't look good. So if you look at 40, probably looks good. 20, not that great. 10 looks okay. Think you should use 5 as your block size. So that's just $25. Yep. Use tick size as 4. That's what I use personally. If you don't, if you want to improve it, you can use increase it. Then you can use 8. Sorry, 8. Okay, 8 is also good. 4 is the best one I use, to be honest. All right. What's the next question? Alert indicator for COT and maximum delta and delta currently is in development. One of the delta indicator, sorry, delta alert indicator is already in production, which you can use. There's a dedicated video on GoCharting. Again, if you just delta alert. So you can watch this price and delta alerts, introducing price and delta alerts in GoCharting video to configure your alerts. Okay. That's, is it possible to copy and paste indicators from one chart to another? What is possible is essentially what you can do is you can create a template. So let's say, for example, I have some market profile here, and let's say, what else? Maybe we have some, you know, markings. What you can do is you can save this, save as a new layout. Okay. Right now, let's do this. Just a second. Actually, you can save this as a template. So let's say, for example, if you save this as a new layout, uh, my layout, and create. Now let's say you have all your indicators on this layout, your drawings, or everything. Let me remove this, and you can reuse them on. Let's say, for example, let's go again to Bank Nifty or Reliance for that matter. Okay. And now if you open, let's say you want this removed, you can just do my layout. You can click on my layout. What will happen is it'll open up this window, the same saved one earlier. You can also choose to have Reliance, let's say, for example, and everything will be visible. All the indicators that a stack of indicators that you use on any other ticker or any other instrument, it will be visible here. Now you can, what you can do is also make a clone out of this. Okay. Obviously, let's say, for example, delete kar dete. You can make a clone out of this, or you can also save this layout as a new layout. Okay. And all your indicators will be copied onto the Reliance ones. Okay. So that's how we can do it. Open interest tool doesn't get updated automatically. We have to refresh it frequently to see real-time data.
Not exactly, Purva. See what happens. Basically, open interest data comes, or you can say open interest data updates after 3 minutes, because NSE does not provide it before 3 minutes. Okay. Now, what can happen? It can take anywhere between 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes, because sometimes the synchronization between NSE data and GoCharting refresh data, sometimes it can vary. So that is the maximum time you can have, and it is updating. You can check it in live market. You can keep open the window, and then you can check if it is updating or not. It will get updated after 3 to max 3.5 minutes. And this is across all the platforms.
Right. We will provide 1 second time frame soon. I have spoken internally with the team, and we are very keen on getting this to you guys. Then Katie says, oh, perfect. So Katie is here, and Katie is saying that what was Imos's questions? I think it was regarding the gamma exposure. Sorry, volume profile tick method by ATR method. Okay. So please do, whenever Katie gives me the video, I will share it with the community in Telegram channel. Okay. When will you have custom sessions for the market profile to check the IB for Asia, London, and New York session? I think this is a very necessary feature as well. Currently, we do have time
I
frames.
think this is already there. Just go to sessions. Go to sessions. Yeah, and then you can click on the sessions. CME. Okay, so these are the name of the session, and if you go to market profile, now if you add the market profile and go to market profile settings, go to market profile settings, the settings of Maya. Okay, go to market profile settings. Here, if you click on auto, yes. So auto it is splitting because it is crude oil, na.
Right.
You can use other like ES or say forex, some forex thing you can add. Yeah. And go to 30 minutes or some higher time frame. Yes, and add the sessions over here. Apply. See, so no, go to market profile setting, yeah, and auto select as auto. Auto, make it auto. Yes. See, now this is based on the sessions. Okay.
So initial balance is being shown here in blue. I will just show it to you.
So what you have to do is go to settings, first of all, go to setting and switch on the session settings, apply the sessions. Then you can also enable the shading and levels also. And then simply go to market profile, whatever market profile you are applying, and go to market profile settings and make it auto. So it will plot the based on sessions. Yeah. So I think your question is answered. Yeah.
All right. What next? Let's see. Multiple condition indicator, delta cot minimum. Yeah, that is something that we are working on currently. Only we have a simple alert on delta right now, but soon we'll be having these multi-condition filters for delta, cot, minimum, and max delta in one.
Avni Gupta has asked one question. I think we are leaving. This is left basically order slicing. Yes, it is available. We call it iceberg order. So Angad bhai, kindly click on the buy button, the trading panel buy button. Okay, now if you scroll it downside, we have this iceberg leg. Can you see there is an option of iceberg leg? Okay, so you can specify how many legs you want to place your order, and it will go accordingly. You can also go to our YouTube channel and watch the video related to this. We have made a video on it, so that is possible.
I am looking for a delta alert based on the relative delta of individual candles. Example, alert me if the delta is X% more than previous candle, or if delta. Yes, all of these things are being developed currently for delta. AI, Purv Agarwal is saying, sir, OI tool I'm talking about is right bottom OI profile.
Yeah. The same thing we are talking. You can what you can do is you can enable the levels. Okay, so if you switch on the levels, you will see that the values are updating. They are updating for sure. We have checked it.
No, I use it regularly, so it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
It does update if you just enable this, and all of these labels you have to update. So if you just enable update here, sorry, enable labels here. Where is show labels? Yeah.
Show levels.
Yeah, just do this, then you will know. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand if any OI has been adding or being removed. Okay. Okay, you need okay. Okay, you need it for BTC. We'll add BTC sessions as well. Just note it down. Okay. Can we get VSA tool? I don't know what's VSA tool. Let's skip that. Volume spread analysis, I think, is the
Yeah,
VSA.
yeah.
Maybe. Just can you provide replay mode on VS is not available currently. Most probably we will not be releasing any kind of a VSA tool until there is enough interest in it. Can you provide replay mode on Renko chart? We can. Um, Again, a very unique use case, but we can enable it. Let me get back to you on it. Probably, can you leave us a email on admin at GoCharting.com, and then you can basically, if we are going to add it, we'll let you know. So, Jitin, hmm.
Gaurav, you can also send a mail regarding this. We will understand it in detail, okay? That the thing you're talking about, the PTC, we will connect and we'll understand it. You can send a mail to us. Yeah, Angad bhai, please continue.
And then these are all the shortcuts. If anybody is asking for shortcuts, these are like shortcuts that uh, are already available. Okay, for order flow, or for chart, access, drawings, trading. Uh, all the shortcuts here are available. You can find them down here in a keyboard section here, hotkeys. Right. If you click here, hotkeys, you will get all these shortcuts. Jitin bhai, with other tries also, if I have multiple tabs, if I set an one tab, then once the other is triggered and where I switch tabs. Understood, Jitin. Will look into this. So just a second. Let me a screenshot of this. Thanks to them. Thank you, Venkat bhai. Sir, we can add chat pattern based on formation in live. I didn't understand Akshay's question. Replay on tick is going to be activated not soon. It's a it will be done. It will be done is what I can say right now. It is one of the most sought after feature. Once we have tick replay, essentially we can do this. I think this is going to be our focus in the coming few months. Once alerts and everything is the current roadmap. Once the current roadmap is out of the way, then the next premium feature that we are going to focus on is actually order flow replay button. So currently what you can see on replay is a finalized candle of the order flow. Let's say even if you go to 1 minute, okay. So let's see, let me just reload. Acha, I'm on. Let me just go to futures chart. Okay, right now what you see is like a 1 minute candle, okay. And if you go on if you just do a replay of it, then the entire candle gets printed, which after the close, okay, but not while the candle was forming. So now in tick replay or order flow replay or tick based replay, we'll have that as well coming in the future. um
Shriram, we will look into this. Okay, Shriram,
Thanks.
the problem with shortcuts, we will look into this. I have
Hmm.
noted it. We'll look into this.
Okay, you've noted it down, na?
Yeah,
uh,
yeah.
फिर भी ले लेता हूँ इसका. Thanks, Sriram. Valuable feedback. Thanks. Can you provide BSE indices like Sensex and then BankX? Sensex and BankX is available, right, on the options desk.
The futures are available. Indices we will not be able to provide. Guys, there are some regulatory issues that it's a technical issue. It will not be possible for me to explain you over here. But indices will not be available as of now. But yes, we are looking into it. Let's see if it can be done.
So the indices are available, but not on the charting platform. They are available on the um, options desk platform. Okay. So you guys can go to options desk. Let's say I'll show you how. Okay. Go to products, go to options desk, and then do let's say BankX for that matter. If you select BankX and then select chart from here on the top right hand corner. Okay, then you'll get the BankX chart, indices chart as well. Okay, it's not currently a part of the charting platform, but you do get access with anybody who has a premium subscription gets access to this. Okay, I think I'm not sorry. I'll show it again. I'll show it again. Go here, BankX. Sorry. Oh, let me reshare. Just a second. I'll show it to you. Products page. Go on the product. Choose options. Yes. Then this window will open. Click on BankX. Type BankX in the top left-hand corner search box. Click on BankX. Then in this chain, risk, and the third tab option in the top right-hand corner, select the chart option and you'll get the BankX chart option. Similarly, you can do for Sensex as well, and the Sensex chart will open. Jitin, very nice feedback we've got in terms of Delta Alert. Could you please send us your the needs that you have specifically for Delta Alerts and everything? It's good to get some feedback from customers as well, so that we know the permutation combinations while building out these tools. And it is one of the reasons why we are delaying all of this. Is basically there are a lot of ways people use these alerts. Okay, so we want to take as much feedback as much as we can before while building these tools, so that because one size does not fit all, but we have to take into consideration 80% to 90% of the need of every trader. Okay, what a trader needs, and then we design the tool accordingly. So thanks for your valuable feedback, Jitin, in terms
Uh,
of
Acha, guys, just one thing. I have just pasted the link of our Discord server. So I'll request you, all of you, kindly join it if you have not joined. So in Discord, we have this section. If you can show Angad Bhai, in Discord we have section called for feedback, bugs, and reports. So there you can directly go. You can initiate a thread, whatever feature you want, or if you see any bug, and you can directly contact us over there. That is very fast. That is really fast. We can connect with you quickly, and we understand your issue.
is there any way to find out big players position placing big orders? Yes, there are ways to find out. You can check out our order flow videos. Proof. Altogether, thanks. In lower time than 1 minute, like 30 seconds or below. Yes, mod safe. We will have these 1 minute charts and second charts coming in soon. Anyway, to currently there is no way to customize fonts and sizes.
Mm.
But if you want specifically to change any font or size, please let us know. Email us on admin@gocharting.com and we'll take your suggestions into consideration. Please upload daily yes, I will upload daily analysis videos of market and trades done with their reason, for sure, of course. It's a hassle because I'm a full-time trader, and then we have to there's a lot of work going on, so these videos take a lot of time to shoot, because I'm not a content creator like most others. So I'll try to continue. Right, sir, can you exam which I need to see for that proof? Okay. Then let's make a group. Delta Alert is most necessary for stock trader. Most yes, Jitendra bhai. Jitendra, how are you? Long time no see. So we'll make sure that Delta Alert are Delta Alert important. Hai. We do understand it's very important, and that is the reason we've released this first phase of the tool. And in the next few weeks, you will see the tool improving. As with all the features that we release a very basic fundamental feature which is battle tested, which is which is tested during, because all of these tools have to be tested in live markets, right? So first we get the basics right, and then eventually, as with all the tools that we've released over the past few years, you will see this tool being improved day by day. Okay. The group is already there. Poor, please join our Discord channel. There are multiple groups in the Discord channel where we discuss trades, where we discuss features, all the stuff essentially in Discord. Okay, markets and trades. Anyway, that's about it for today. We've covered all points. I hope you are enjoying your premium subscription, guys. Once more, I would like to just quickly focus on this offer we are running. It's flat 30% off on all plans. Essentially, um, if you are on a monthly plan or even a yearly plan, and if you want to add one more extra year for 30% off, please go ahead and take benefit of this offer. This offer will get over uh, in 10 days. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys. Have a great weekend. Thank you for joining this call with us. Thank you for supporting GoCharting throughout the years. We value your feedback, and we would like to continue to service you, to provide you with the best and premium tools for trading. Uh, I hope GoCharting stays the number one choice for you and your other trader friends. Please do share the offer with all of your friends if they are not aware of this. So let your friends know, your trading groups know that GoCharting is running this 30% off. All right, take care. Have a happy weekend. Anything else, Durgesh bhai, please do take over from me.
No, 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 that's okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Of course, this video recording will be available in a few hours as soon as we get it, and we'll chop it off, as in edit it to make it much more crisp. And you'll find it on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead, guys. See you. Take care.